Welcome back to another video of Smith Fishing Outdoors, and today we are going to be fishing Muskie League night. I think I'm going to start off with the Rapska tail. This is like a gold and black color. What are you going to start off with?
Probably a bite back trilogy.
Bite back trilogy?
Yeah.
I bet it's going to be orange and black.
I like that color.
Yeah, I'd assume so.
Yeah.
So let's get right in the video. See if we
can get one on a league night.
Yeah, see if we can get one on a league night. That's the most important part. But
We blanked on the other two league nights this year. I know.
We sucked those other
tonight we're gonna get on the board.
We're gonna catch one tonight. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Turned on me. He turned on me. Okay, fishy. Come on, fishy. Come on, fishy. Got him. Let's go. Oh, bait's out. Bait's out. Okie dokie. Oh, give me 5.
League fish, we're on the board.
First fish of league. Let's go. We are on the board while sharpening my bucktail. Whew. Anna?
Trilogy.
Here, let me take a look at this. Bite back trilogy, orange and black tinsel.
Imagine that.
Yeah, imagine that. I don't know why we'd ever catch anything on that. I mean, I definitely don't throw it all the time.
Another one. That look good? Does it show it?
I can see the entire fish on the board.
Over the top, good. Okay.
Yep. Body or tail out a little more. There we go.
Fisher. We got league fish tonight.
League fish tonight. First
Let him
one.
go.
Oh, he's a green machine.
Nice healthy fish.
He's a green machine.
Yep.
This guy, he was pretty rough in the net. You couldn't get him out.
Yeah.
Because he was kind of splashing you a little bit.
Pretty fish.
That is a pretty fish. The sun and the sun's coming out. That sucks. Thought we were having a good time. That is a very pretty fish. 38 1/4.
38 1/4.
Tail whipping.
Take off of the tail whip. He's taking off.
He's swimming. Going back to his weed bed.
Back to his weed bed. On the board.
Yeah, we got a fish on the bump board.
Now let's get a double.
I need to finish sharpening my hooks. Well, little report here. The one we got may not count because I forgot to press the check mark to make it count. So we'll see if it counts or not.
Took multiple photos of it on the board and holding it, but just you got to hit that check mark in the Fish Donkey app.
Yep, Fish
and
Donkey.
I don't think we did that right. And
no.
First time trying it, and you know, done some trial entries in that fish donkey amp, but it was like 2.5 months ago.
Yeah, it was a long time.
But I don't know.
The bait we got the fish on was his black and orange tinsel trilogy.
Yep.
You got the fish on this trilogy, and then
I'm happy I'm got a fish tonight. That's cool.
You switched baits, so I stole it.
Yep. I went back. I got an Esox Assault.
You went to an Esox Assault, and I grabbed this one because it's proven.
So.
Yep.
We'll see if we can get another.
We're gonna fish.
This time we'll hit the check mark.
Yeah, maybe. We'll see about it.
Whatever.
Whatever.
League is fun.
Yep.
It's all for a t-shirt for the winter anyway, so it's not like it's that big a deal.
Yep. Two of them black, or two of them orange, one black. Hoping to have one show up on this major. Usually you'd probably wish one would show up on the majors. It's the best time. And I'm just throwing this trilogy. Hope one's gonna show up real soon because that would be great. Tinsel trilogy is I think it's gonna do it. We'll figure it out soon, but I think it's gonna do it. Well, that's the end of our little league night. What did we catch? One
muskie.
One muskie. It was a 38 1/4. Pretty nice fish. That fish was green. He did not want to go anywhere. He was a little feisty guy. And one time is at 10:04. We got storms ahead of us. We're gonna
ready to get off the lake.
Let's get off the lake because
we had storms coming and lightning and mosquitoes and it got ugly.
It's a couple reasons. Well, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure.